Hello foodies, have you ever craved that perfect melt in your mouth bele Obbattu or Puran Poli but thought it was too difficult to master? Well, worry no more. Today I'm bringing you the traditional secret straight from my home. We are revealing the ultimate foolproof method to get that soft translucent dough and that rich Puran filling you ever tasted. This isn't just a recipe, it's a piece of heritage shared by my very own mother, the master chef of our kitchen. Stick around because by the end of the video, you will be making a professional style Puran Poli right in your own kitchen. Let's get started and let's do how to do this Obbattu for this Ugadi. Here are the ingredients required to make this Obbattu or the Puran Poli. Take a screenshot of it if you want. First, let's prepare the Kanaka or the dough for the outer cover. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup about 250 grams of Maida and add 1 tablespoon of chiroti rava for that perfect texture, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for that vibrant color, and a pinch of salt. Mix these dry ingredients well. Now add water gradually and begin kneading. Knead it consistently for 4 to 5 minutes. Yes, 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes incredibly elastic and smooth. This is very important and very crucial to get that perfect translucent texture for that Kanaka. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Work the oil into the dough until it's fully absorbed and the dough is supple. Now you can see how the dough looks. It's so soft and smooth. Now cover this and let it rest for at least 2 hours. This resting period is crucial for that signature stretch. While the dough is resting, let's make the Puran or the Hurana. Take a cup of soaked tur dal in a pot. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a 1 cup of water. If you take 1 cup of tur dal, then you need to add 1 cup of water. That's the measurement. Add a teaspoon of cooking oil. Cook the dal until it's perfectly soft. It should mash easily between your fingers and it will take anywhere between 5 to 6 minutes on a medium to high flame. And now after 5 minutes you can see the dal is perfectly cooked. You can see if you press the dal in your fingers, it should perfectly mash. It's the indication that the dal is perfectly cooked. And now add 1 1/4 cups of Jaggery, that's bella. Using dark Jaggery provides the most authentic flavor to this. Add a 1/4 cup of coconut, 4 crushed green cardamoms, and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds, that's somp. And here is my mother's secret touch, a fresh pinch of grated nutmeg. This will give you a beautiful flavor to that Puran. Stir this over a high flame. The Jaggery will melt and the mixture will eventually thicken into a solid mass. Now look, it's perfectly ready. Once this is cooled completely, grind it into a fine smooth paste. Now look, the Puran is now ready. This is called as Hurana or the Puran. Now it's perfectly done. And what we need to do next is to make a small balls of it. So we need to shape it into a medium sized balls just like this. Follow this and make everything at once. Now the puran is ready. Let's keep it aside. Now let's see how to assemble and cook this Puran Poli. Now let's take out the resting dough. Just look at the dough, how perfect it has been done. Now in a butter paper, grease a sheet of butter paper with oil. And also similarly grease a plastic paper also. I will let you know what's the use of this plastic paper. Let's keep this plastic paper aside for now. Let's take a small portion of the rested dough. Flatten it on your palm just like this. And place a filling ball in the center. That's the puran. Carefully seal the dough around the filling from all sides, just as I shown you. Place the ball on the greased paper and just tap a little bit with your hand and then cover it with a thin plastic sheet which is also greased, and gently use your fingers to spread it out. We want it thin enough to see the filling through the dough. Everyone has their own techniques. If you have any other technique, do let me know in the comment section below so that I can also learn about it. Finally, heat your tawa and grease it with little oil. Flip this obbattu onto the hot tawa and gently peel away the paper. Cook on medium flame until you see a beautiful golden spots. Then flip and cook the other side. Serve it hot with a generous pour of ghee. Pure desi ghee. That is the heaven. That's it. There it is. Authentic, delicious Bele Obbattu or our Puran Poli is ready to taste. If this recipe brought a taste of tradition to your kitchen, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another such yummy recipe. Till then, this is Deepaks Kitchen signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.